Greetings, my fellow LEGO fans. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, I think a lot of you will know tomorrow is a special day, matching this year's grand theme of my channel. All you need is love. And yeah, I guess you guessed it right. Yeah, Valentine's Day. Tomorrow, the big day for all the couples and people in love. Don't know if the other side knows it or not. Whatever. Well, in fact, we don't give too much about the day. Of course, sometimes she gets a nice little cake for us. Sometimes I get one. It's not that we completely boycott it, but it's not that much of a thing. We have Valentine's Day 365 to 366, depending on the year, days every year. Yeah, she's just perfect, so what should be different tomorrow? But nevertheless, of course, the little "Everyone is Awesome" set has to be in this video, matching the topic pretty well with All You Need Is Love. And the table is empty, I know, but we have a special set for tomorrow, but we'll build it today. So less stress tomorrow, and you can watch it right now. In fact, we built it a few days ago, but let's say it's today. And the set I'm talking about, Lego's Lovebirds. A really cute set with those two little birdies. And yeah, little funny or weird side note. On the German side, it's not Lovebirds, it's Turteltauben, turtle doves. Lego, do they look like doves? No, they don't. So, Lovebirds. I'm so happy that I do my videos in English, because it would be absolutely terrible to do it correctly in German.
So they would be love parrots.
Yeah.
Or Wellensittich, what does this mean?
Budgie. Don't know. I think they're based on something that could really exist. There are lots of colorful birds. I don't know what they really should be, but I've never seen that colorful doves. Mostly gray. Yeah. And rather boring. Maybe funny, maybe something cute, but not colorful. But that's enough blabbering about this little side note. I think we'll get it started.
Let's
start. So, just a little helper, also with a birdie. Let's open it up. Yeah, maybe All You Need Is Love is the topic, but you just can't love punch tapes to ruin the boxes. But yeah, I tried my best.
But there's a good chance that there are no stickers in it.
Yeah, this should be a sticker-free set, correct? So, I love it.
So?
But don't discriminate stickers. We also love, no, another thing I can't love. But sometimes they are not the worst thing, but I talked already about that. So, see, one and two instruction books. Little thing. Do you want just the birdie or the birdie with the base? Don't know.
It's your choice.
The last time you meant you are slower than me, so should we swap the instructions?
For your audience, you're right. So
as you like it. If you want the orange head, you can.
It's fine.
Do this. Okay. So
need some practice to be faster.
We'll get there. I got some more sets we can do together, and there are also still sets not built where she has one bought for herself, and I have enough stuff to do for myself, and I think we can double team those videos too, if you want.
Sure, sure.
So let's have a look inside.
Couple times always good.
Couple time. So here we have the box and the base and the stuff and all what comes with it. Sorry. Here, there, 6 bags. So, are they sorted or is everything together? 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 5 and 6. Okay, so your bags, my bags. If you're fast enough, you can of course jump over here and do the base if you want.
Let's see. Let's see.
We'll see how quick we are. And now I would say, let's get the pieces out. I think there's not too much I will have to show you. We have this little trans-clear bar where the heart will sit on later. Of course, the eyes are printed and yeah.
So no stickers.
And some leaves. The rest is pretty much standard bricks, plates and tiles. So let's just unpack them, start building, and then we'll show you the result. And everything will go really speedy. Let's have fun. And here our little lovebirds finished.
They're so cute.
And really nice that they sit on turntables so they can look around a bit, and then when they find each other. Really cute. And the little heart is also a really sweet mini build. Yeah. And how was it?
It was funny.
The little wings are really simple but cute made. Just there on a single start. Yeah. The positive side is you can turn them a bit to make it a bit more lifelike, but it's maybe not the most stable connection we know. But well, yeah, just too cute. Still don't know what kind of bird this is, could be, should be, maybe, whatever.
Write your ideas in the comments.
Yeah, if you have an idea, what species? No, race of bird this could be, let us know. Otherwise, I would just say, here's the finished set. Here are 2 other lovebirds. And yeah, as I said, well, not I, way smarter man, all you need is love. And yeah, so spend time with your loved ones, enjoy everything you love, and yeah, do you have anything to add? Any knowledge about
perfect.
Valentine's Day? No, we know nothing about that.
No, sorry, we didn't do any research.
Yeah, that's also the amount we care about this special day, but it's always nice to have a reason to celebrate something. So special day for couples. And yeah, hope you enjoyed our little double team build and those cute little lovebirds. Maybe those little lovebirds. And if you do so, you are always welcome to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified whenever something new happens, you know what you gotta do? Right, really easy. Just hit the bell button.
Ding ding.
That's right. Ding-a-ling, and YouTube should let you know whenever something new happens here on this channel. And as Julia already mentioned, she gets a bit of the joy of building, so I guess you can expect some more videos of us together building some nice, I would say,
nice
for the
couple
beginning.
thing.
Yeah, couple time always great. I think we'll start with a few more smaller sets, and then maybe we'll go to some big stuff.
You need to buy a bigger house then.
No, we have the stuff. We just have to take it apart again because we can't put it anywhere built, but that's another story. So stay tuned. And we'll say that's it for today. Hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day tomorrow. Have a nice dinner with your loved one, and yeah, we'll do something nice, I guess.
Sure.
As we do all the time. It's not just the one day in the year, just like Mother's Day, not just the one day.
Or Father's Day.
Yeah, also.
Or Kids Day. There is a Children Day, but I don't know the background. So.
Okay.
But there is one.
That's great.
Yeah.
So equality for every group. That's really great. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sind die knuffig?
Die sind ja urlieb.
Schau, wie sie sich zusammentragen können, wie weit.
Oh ja, die lassen
Ist das
so.
Herz allerliebst? Oh, Entschuldigung. Warte, ich muss noch...